Oh, carry on. Okay. Since it is being a webcam, it's not even recording, it's just showing clip, and then I just apply the Rec 709 LUT, and it works now. Okay, so yes, I don't have much to show you, and the light is shining right on my eye. Once that you could see my eyes shine. Obviously you would, because I'm facing at the camera lens, and the light from the lamp the light from the lamp will shine into my eye, and then being end up reflected into the lens and then into the sensor, so the sensor really detected it. And it's just right here, it's really bright. Should have set my ISO to auto, but it looks so bad. Normal. Oh, that's so much brighter. My face is actually blue now. So, guess like it looks. It doesn't hurt as much as it doesn't hurt as much as but my face is a little bit yellow. It is pretty yellow. What? The mic may be too soft, and you probably couldn't hear me well. I just don't know how to deal with voice. Noise green, I guess. Basically, it's just a noise from the mic that is actually quite loud. So if I don't talk, it will be like. So let me check. Boom. Now I should sound a lot louder, but my voice will be amplified because it's Realtek. Realtek is basically automatically deleting the noise. And yeah, since this is a manual focus lens, I'm using a 5500D, so you don't get any autofocus. Or if I'm being exact, it's AFC, so it's autofocus continuous. This lens doesn't have that, or this whole camera doesn't have that. But I mean, I already took a picture of you yesterday, so basically you look like this. Oh my god, that bending is so goddamn scary. There. So yes. Uh, what was I supposed to do? I guess I'm not too sure myself. So yeah. Yeah, this is basically you. This is you. Oh wait, it's not. But yeah, so this is what I will use to review if I'm in focus. And this will show up to there. And then this is you. So this is you. I'm using a Nifty 50 lens, so yeah. I mean, it's. I just bought the camera with this lens included. I just tear apart the lens and then clean the filament inside with alcohol and microfiber towels, and then now it looks a lot better. I also cleaned the sensor. I bought a pack. I basically bought this APS-C sensor cleaning kit. I don't know which one is more in focus, but yeah, this seems like it. So yeah, APS-C sensor cleaning kit is $99. Malaysian ringgit. Of course, that's Malaysian ringgit. And yeah, basically, it's just a kit. Wait, I did take one and clean out the sensor, so it looks a lot better now. Let me go take it out. Oh, where is it? Oh, surprisingly, I just got one right here. So it's basically just right there. So, it's, so it is 16 millimeters, so it's just the sensor size. And you just clean it like that. You wipe it and then you swipe and then you wipe it again. So and that's just more like clean, I guess. Why wouldn't it? Good questions. I mean, I'm not used to looking at the camera, so I probably won't look at the camera. My eyes are so big. Oh my fucking god. Hmm. Yes, as I expected, it is quite loud. Yeah. This is the lens cap. It's kind of hard to tell which one will focus better, but like, I don't think you need to care about that. Imagine if I had a teleprompter just like had it right there. That would be so fun, man. It's so tight. But it is really tight, so I doubt that it could. And then this is the microphone. Yeah, the sound's basically clipping. Alright, the sound is basically clipping, and then it will auto bring down the over the clipping noise. So if you clip for like few seconds, then it will drag down. So I will make little noise to make it sure. And now I'm gonna come back, and then now it should be at 100% again. So basically, what's happening here is if it's as soon as it notices my voice is clipping, it's gonna bring down the noise level. So it basically drag down the volume to like 80 or 70 depending on how loud I am. So basically it will just be like me speaking normally. But when I go further away, then it will sounds like you can't hear me. Like obviously because I'm further away from this microphone. And that is exactly it. Because I'm further away, you couldn't hear me, so it will auto adjust back, and it will auto adjust. So like basically, it will bring the voice like louder, so it will be back in 100%. So I tried turning off this, but it ain't working. Alright, man, don't blame me. I couldn't fix it. I tried so many. You don't know how many things you don't know how many things I went through just to get this working. You got them more. Oh well, that's all. So yeah, I also got this sword lighter. Let me go take it out. So I basically got this. This is more in focus than me, bruh. The lights is like broken. I think I need to resolder it. So like, I'm just gonna end it here, I guess. So, bye. I'm gonna go now, so like you guys enjoy yourself. Bye bye.